Yeah, it's been a while since we talk one on one. My last video was the the video that I made talking about how I lost every single money that I've made from trading, including my own personal savings. You can go and watch that video. But today we are not here to talk about the losses, even though I haven't yet recovered the money that I've lost. But yeah, I'm able to clear all my debt and everything, and I'm currently, I just made $200 for the past 2 days ago. Yeah, I made $200 from the move that I caught on BTC, and yesterday I lost $50, and so I'm currently in profit like 160 because I made a little bit of above that 200. And then I also did a withdrawal, a massive withdraw like right around $220. So my account is currently sitting around $99. Yeah. So today I'm not here to talk about all those things because I just wanted to show you what I'm currently looking at on the market. You can see right now the video quality is a little bit better than the previous one. Yep. So I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at on the market right now, and then my thought process of how I will be getting into the another new setup, maybe tomorrow or maybe Monday. I don't really know. In this market you cannot really predict this market, so we just have to stay put. The $50 that I lost yesterday was from being stressed because no, I would have made like $1,000+ from the massive move. I'll show you guys. You guys wait. I'll show you. But I would have made like huge amount of money, like 1,000 or 1,200. But I ended up closing the trade at $200 because I was risking around $34. $34, and then price went in my direction from $34 to all the way to $200. Yeah, I was happy, and then I closed. Little did I know that I've done the worst mistake, but in trading a lot happens, so I just need to learn from it and then go forward. So let me just quickly show you my chart and then the thought process that I'm having for how the market is currently moving and what I'm looking for in order to get into a new setup. Yeah, now I'm preserved. Right now I'm sitting on my hands, even though I made a mistake, but I know right, you cannot be perfect in this market, so you just have to try to manage your risks as much as possible in order to keep yourself in the market for a very long time. Okay, so let's just jump right into the screen. Hey, wait, before we I show you the screen, I want to tell you this. I never knew that Windows machines actually have built-in screen recorder. Like, I always download third-party apps for like recording my screen, but I never knew, bro. I never knew. I was thinking of how I'm going to record the screen today, and I was like, bro, how can I record the screen if I don't have like Camtasia Studio, if I don't have the OBB or OBD? I don't know how people even, if I don't have those apps, how am I going to record the screen, and I just literally go to Google and search of some third-party app that I can use to record the screen, and then I just scroll, and then I saw some suggestion that no, there is no. I'll show you guys. Let me just show you guys, and then we just take it from there. All right, so we are currently on my screen right now, and let me just quickly show you the built-in screen recorder. Just go to your search bar, search SNIPP. Then you see this tool called Snipey tool. I don't know, Snipey tool or Snippy tool, but whatever. Anything that you see with this spelling, just click on it, bro. Just click on it. You click on it, and then it will send you to these small windows. Just click on new, and then you set the screen size or the area that you wanted to record, and then the rest of the thing is self-explanatory, so you don't need to worry. It's not any difficult thing. So Yeah, always remember to always switch your mic on, bro. Your mute, switch it on, bro. Because I literally recorded this screen until like, I mean the screen record like 3 minutes before I realized that I didn't switch on my mic, and I need to delay the whole thing and then start over. So, bro, remember to switch on your mic if you want to do it, unless you don't want to use your microphone. All right, so currently we are on BTC chart. Today is Saturday, as you can see. Yeah, I don't know if I'll still include this area, the tax bar in the record, but today is Saturday, 22nd of August 2026. BTC have made a very massive move from all the way from here to here. I'll explain the trade that I caught later, but let me just talk about what I'm currently looking at and what's my thought process behind everything that I'm going to say, or I don't even know what I'm saying. So basically, let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, because that can give us overall perspective of how the market is going to move. On the daily time frame, I don't really know what to say about this place, because I'm currently looking at the market like, oh, the market is bullish above this level but bearish under this level. But I'm not going to be here and then be confusing myself, because overall we can see that price is going up. So what we need to do is just look for a buy. Yeah, basically that is it, because of this massive push to the upside. So we just need to look for a buy. That is it. But the reason why I come to the daily time frame is to see what next will price do after this move right here. Maybe price might ended up pushing back down or pushing back up, but I just want to see the key levels where price might push to. At first I was thinking that price might drop because price has broken above this high, price might correct, but the move is too big for price to just dump all the way to here for correction. So that mindset is ruled out. But the easiest thing that I see price doing is maybe price can come above this level here, because price is already near that place. So price might just have to reach that place. It's not all that far from there. And then let's go to the weekly time frame. I think the weekly will give us some hint. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame, also you can see that price also is bearish on the weekly time frame. Yeah, it's bearish. As you can see, price is currently bearish on the weekly time frame, but we are not going to sit here wait for a week before we take a trade. So just to see that what price is currently doing, price is bearish. But what I'm thinking right now is price is not far from here. Price is currently here and price is not far from here. Looking at the way price push to the upside, very big, price is not far from here. So my thought process is maybe price can end up going up, breaking, pulling back up, and then going up again. That might be my thought process. Yeah, what I'm currently thinking. Or price can just drop from here. Maybe the week might end. The week will end tomorrow. Maybe price can just push all the way to the downside here and do something and then go down. Right now we cannot really predict what price will do in the next couple of weeks, so we just have to just roll with the market. So for me, I'm comfortable with this because I feel like price is almost there. So it might like price have to just move to this place. That's it. So I'm not trying to predict the market, but yeah, I'm just going with whatever price, like whatever I'm seeing and then whatever I'm thinking. So what will actually make me enter into the trade and then thinking that price will come all the way here is the 4-hour and then the 1 hour. So let me just go to the 1 hour and then see. So this is the 1 hour. We're currently at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we're currently at the 1 hour time frame. And you can see on the 1 hour time, I say for 1 hour, 4-hour time frame. Yeah, On the 4 hour time frame, there's not all that much that we can see. We cannot even scroll to the left and then see. So I think the 4 hour we cannot be useful right now. So let's just go to the 1 hour. And the 1 hour is where I mostly trade, because the 1 hour, you know, you want to make money every 2 days or every single day, or you want to make money twice in a week. Trading, you don't have to try to make money every single day. That's the mindset that I had when I lost everything, before I lost everything. So right now I try to push myself away from that. So maybe I try to take 3 trades in a week or 2 trades in a week. I'm comfortable with that. 2 trades or 3 trades in a week, I'm comfortable with that. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can take a trade every 2 days, or it depends on the move. Also, sometimes you can take 3 trades in 3 days, so it depends on the move. But currently on the 1 hour time frame, at least we are getting something. So this is the target point on the weekly time frame. So my thought is that price might go up to here. I can't really tell, I can't predict. But looking at the 1 hour time frame, what I can do in order to be sure of price next movement is, I can basically come here, look at the top. Let me just do this big, do this, and I can basically focus on this and then be like, okay, price came here and then rejected. Price came here and then rejected. It did the same thing to here, did the same thing to also here, and then reject. And as price is rejecting, it's creating highs that are becoming lower, but the lows are not becoming lows, are not getting lower. The lows are still maintaining their structure. You know what I'm saying? So the lows, look at the lows here. The lows here, this a low, and then this another low, and then this another low also. The highs, look at this high, the first high higher, and this high is lower than this high. So this high, so this high will be named as lower high. But the lows, if price is getting if the highs are becoming lower and lower, we are expecting the lows to also be getting lower as well, because price has to be breaking lows in order for the whole thing to become bearish. But here is the case, price is maintaining the low, the base low here. So what I'm currently thinking is, okay, if price is doing that, then fine. Meaning, if price want to go bearish for any reason that price want to do it, I don't really know. But if price want to go bearish, then price has to just break below this level. Because if price break below this level, then that confirms to me that price is ready to go bearish. But it doesn't mean that I'll enter into the trade when price break that. I'll enter that is just telling me that price is trying to go bearish now. Until I see price come above this level and then come under this level again, that is where I'll be ready to take a trade. But apart from that, price is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. So that is it. So we've drawn the first box already. So the first box is indicating that if price break below this level, because this level is supposed to be broken before we can say, okay, since price is creating highs that are becoming lower and lower, the lows also must also become low. The lows also should be broken. So if price is refusing to break this low, the price is not ready to go bearish. But you just need to be looking at both parts. When will price go bullish, when will price go bearish? So I'm looking at it right now. So price is currently, I'll say, bullish right now on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's clean this because we are going to explain another point also. So right now I'm currently looking at the market and I'm like, okay, now I'm only looking at it from the bearish perspective. But we cannot just look at market from one point of view. We need to look at it from a 2 point of view in order not to deceive ourselves, because price can literally just dump right now and then go up and then come here trying to go up and then poof, went up. Price can do anything. We are not going to hold price. If we want to do anything, we are not just going to hold price, like, so we have to have two buyers in our mind. So that's the first bias. And then the second one is, since price reaches here and then rejected and then push down and then try to go up again, rejected, I'll draw another box here, because meaning this place, there are sellers here that are pushing price down. That's where price couldn't break this level here. You can see price rejected multiple times here. So many sellers are here. So if price eventually, just for whatever reason, price ended up, breaking above this level. If price break here, price might just break here and then go up. I'm not entering into the trade because price broke above this level. I'm not entering into the trade because, let's say, for example, the sellers here have like $20. If the buyers have like $50, if they move from here and then break this level, they might just have, if $20 is here and then the buyers have $50, if the buyers break this level, that means $20 minus $50, that will be left with $30. So price can move all the way here and then the $30 that they have is finished. So price has to come all the way down to grab a little bit of money, which is liquidity, in order to keep going up again. That's if price wants to go up. So I'm not going to enter into the market if price also break above this. I'll be expecting price to come back and then back above this level. That's where I'll be sure that, okay, now price has have like enough money or enough energy or enough momentum to go all the way from here to here. And if price break above this level again, that's where I can be sure of, yeah, price is ready to go all the way here, and that will match my weekly time frame bias and then my daily time frame bias. And if that matches, meaning we can still keep holding the trade for some couple of days. So that's what I'm currently thinking and looking at in the market right now. So it's just something simple, not complicated, but because I won't be looking at the chart over and over again, I'm just going to set an alert here. Alert here, set another one also here, and then let me name this down so that when I see the notification, I'll know where price is at, and then up. Yeah, I just created a preset for that. So up and then down, that's all. So this is what I'm currently looking at. Nothing much, nothing complicated. Price has to do one of these two and then we are good to go. That is the two bias. And I'm also thinking of another bias again. That is based on the month or the year that I spent on looking at the chart. Price can end up doing none of like the things that I said. Price can just do this. Price can do this because of how sellers are here and then they keep rejecting this place. Price can come here, push all up to here and then try to break this level, but I won't break this level, move up and then come down, move up again and then come down, and then this coming down can just break and then dump for some few or even a day and then keep dropping. Yeah, something like this can also happen because I've seen it in the market. I've seen this over and over again, so I can see this. And this also, I'm ready for this also. So I'm ready for this movement also. Yeah, I'm ready for it. And the same thing can happen if you flip this opposite, like if you turn this in an opposite direction also. The same thing can happen also here also. Price can reach here and then reject, reach and then reject and then break. It will depend. This sometimes I can see it and then ignore it, like I did in the past, and then it happened in the past. I ignore it. The price points just down. But most of the time it happens for bearish movement. I don't really see it happening for bullish movement before. but we are just up for it. But my main concern is the two things that I said earlier. Price can either break above, come down, and then continue, or break below, come up, and then continue. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I hope this video, I forget, I nearly forget. So the trade that I took 2 days ago, I think that was in Wednesday. Oh yeah, Wednesday or Thursday. I think maybe I might post the screenshot on the screen. Yeah, but this was the trade that I took. Actually, I was looking to buy price from here, but price wasn't giving me any move. I would have bought also from here also, but no, that day I wasn't feeling it, so I just let price ride. And this one, I was at work, and then I saw this move also, but I wasn't really sure, so I just let it move again. But this was the move that I caught, because I was like, enough is enough. I've seen enough in order to know that price will be going bullish. So I just waited for price right around here to price to get back above this level so that I can buy price. But I entered into the trade way earlier than that, so I can't, like, I caught the move like very early before it even started. So even before price even reach here, I caught the move right around here. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I went to the 15-minute time frame, and then I see the setup. Okay, we are currently on the 15-minute time frame. So I saw price did this. I was at work, and then I think this on Wednesday, right? Yeah, I was at work, and then I saw this. See this movement here, like this around 8 o'clock Wednesday. Yeah, so I saw this movement. I saw that price move from here, and then did something like this, and then refuses to go down, and then I saw price broke above this level here on the 15-minute time frame. When price did this, I was like, I was even hesitating. I was like, I knew that price is bullish. Price has told me every single sign, gave me every single sign that it's bullish. So I was like, should I enter, or should I still wait for price to come all above here? But I was like, fuck it, because if price wants to go bearish, price would have just dropped and then break this. But since price refuses to break and then went ahead to break highs in the market, I just need to take the risk. And then I entered into the position right around here. I'm sure my stop loss was here. Under this level. I wanted to put it under, but I was like, let me just give room for the trade to breathe. And then price ended up pushing up, came down. I was in a drawdown a little bit, pushed up. Then I just I think this is around 11. Work started coming, so I didn't really pay attention to the chart anymore. Then later down the day, bro, price just give me a massive move, really big move. Price gave me a very big move. Yeah, give me this push first. Price gave me this push all the way here. I was like, yeah. I've made it. Give me another push again. And then I ended up closing the trade right around here. I was like, bro, $34, and then I turned $34 into $200. I was like, yeah, that's good. So I closed the trade immediately. And it stressed me. I was like, okay, this move actually didn't really hurt me, but I was like looking at all this move, like, oh bro, price just keep going and going. Like, can you imagine? I would have like $34 into like, bro, to have $34 into like, bro, like 1,500, bro.
1,500. Like I would have turned this shit into 5,500. I just ended up cutting this trade. So it actually stressed me out yesterday so bad. But like, yeah, but it is what it is. Shit happens. So that's it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like the video and then subscribe, bro. Subscribe. I'm going to be dropping. Let me just switch on the camera.
Guys, that was it, and then I would love if you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video so that other people can see it. Yeah, I think it will be helpful for me and then for you, because I'll be dropping more videos that you can watch to inspire yourself, and not because basically I'm not like in the nicest place. I'm also managing, trying to get some bread also. So we are going to watch each other's journey together. Share your thoughts in the comment section. I will read them. I'll reply to you guys. Yeah, because you are not me. I'll sit down, reply to you guys. You can follow me on Instagram also. I'll put the username also there. You can follow me on Instagram. Yeah, just like, subscribe, and then yeah, see you guys. Yeah. If I miss anything, just let me know. Peace.